Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
My name is Andrew.
Today we're in Coda R Course C, Lesson 12, Build a Flappy Game. So the instruction says, attach the flap a normal mount block to the when click event, then press run. Click or tap on the play space to move Flappy to the target. The target is right here. So it says, click run to start the game. But right now, when you click, it doesn't have any code. So let's play a sound. Let's play a swoosh sound. Then flap a random amount. Not quite. You have to use a block you aren't using. No.
You do this small amount.
Oh yeah. Continue. The when run event allows you to run code as soon as your game starts. Try adding a block that sets the level speed when the run block button is pressed. So it says flap a normal amount. Let's add a splash sound. The set speed must be the level speed. Let's set it to normal. Yay! The instruction says, now we'll add the ground. Attach the endgame block to the when hit ground event. Play the game and crash the bird into the ground to continue. Oh, crash the bird into the ground.
So when hit the ground, end game.
End game, and let's play sad sound. And thanks for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.